Hello everyone, and welcome to the Disco Dish. As you can tell, fall is upon us and the weather's getting colder. Today, we're going to share a frighteningly easy recipe that's going to scare your taste buds. On the disco, of course. Have you ever been to a Mexican restaurant? They serve you those warm tortilla chips? Well, that's what we're going to be making today. We're going to start off with some lard in the disco, and that's how we're going to fry them. Oops. And we're going to need quite a bit of that. It's cold out here, but it's hot on the disco. We can get bigger chunks here. The amount of lard in this recipe is terrifying. And I think one more scoop will do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this melt down and make sure it's hot enough, and then we're going to add the tortillas. That looks about right. What we're using today is a yellow corn tortilla. Buy them at the store like this, and then we chop them up in any shape you like, but we're choosing triangles right now. And as per my chicken wing video, you always got to test the oil before you start. And that's looking pretty good. That's looking hot enough. And now that we know the oil is hot enough, we'll put it in our batch of tortilla chips. We have them cut up into triangles, like I said. Do them in small batches so you can take care of them. And so that's what we'll do. We'll add this small stack into the oil that's ready. And you separate them. And we're gonna watch these and we're gonna wait till they turn a little bit brown, then we know they're ready. And it's scary quick. So we definitely wanna have a bowl ready. So once those tortilla chips are done, you wanna take them out. We definitely don't wanna burn them. Okay. All right, so you line a bowl with some paper towels to soak up that extra grease, and then you take them out. Pardon the wind here. Now most places they season them with salt, which is very, very good and tasty, but we're gonna season them with our red Phantom seasoning. So just keep doing them in batches, small batches like this, so you can take care of them until you get the desired amount that you want. So I definitely like homemade tortilla chips just to use. I eat salsa with it. I use the chips when I make a Spam sandwich maybe. I also like to use it with dips. So we really use them for an everyday chip. They're also a little bit better than those store-bought spicy chips. I mean, a whole lot better than those store-bought spicy chips. And you definitely want to watch how quickly these fry up. So if your oil is getting hot, they'll fry real quickly. So you want to be safe and turn your temperature down, turn your flame down so we don't get it too hot. And so this is our last batch that we're going to cook today. And this batch we're going to season. So we're going to do that here shortly. Make sure you're very careful. This oil, this acts as a scoop or something. You can splash yourself. You don't want to burn yourself or anybody else around. So be very, very careful. And now we have our batch of fresh tortilla chips. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna season these chips with our Phantom red chili powder, our seasoning. So the ingredients in this is red chili powder, green chili powder, onion powder, and salt. Are you strong enough to try it, or are you a scaredy cat? Don't worry about that wind, it's scared too. And then what you do is you toss them, try to get the seasoning on every chip. Let's see if we can do this without breaking the chips. Oh, and remove those paper towels first too. Looking pretty good. And as you can see there, seems like we got seasoning on pretty much everything. And I did break a few. And so there is our scary easy recipe for restaurant quality tortilla chips. Great with the sandwich, great with salsas, dips. But if you want to be the envy of the neighborhood, you'll use these special chips for loaded nachos. And that's the disco dish.